Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to erase a drawing from a picture in Adobe Photoshop. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you can just press on a picture, press on draw down below, and here of course you will begin to draw. You can draw anything, you can select the color here, you can manage the brush size and draw something. And if you want to erase that drawing and maybe begin anew or just erase parts of the drawing, just press on eraser, manage the size of the eraser, and then manually just delete parts of your drawing or the entire drawing as well, depending what you want, of course. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.